You better get a head start.
You're sending him again?
That was a good one. Oh, he stops it pretty quick though. Oh, no. He's like, fuck. Yeah.
He just left it there. He left it there. It's down there, man.
Now he's got it in his mouth.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's awesome. He's like, screw you guys.
No, I think it's over there.
No, it's in his mouth.
Okay.
Oh, definitely, as you can see that thing there. That was great. He only needs one or two of these. Wow, look at the view out
He's not
there.
gonna make it up the hill. We gotta walk it all slow.
That's it. He had enough for today.
I know, right?
Uh-huh.
I don't want to kill my dog.
Not
He's
yet.
throwing another one of those, I'd be dead by the first one. Oh shit. That's funny.
Oh yeah, he made it 3/4 the way down the slope. Remember when we came up here that night though?
Oh yeah.
That was awesome, man. I got that idea then.